for business and automation, for convenience and everything. So industry 4.0, so it will give lot of advantages. So in what area? So these are some different areas where 4.0 will be used. Okay, artificial intelligence. What is mean by artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence means we are giving the training to the machines. So the machines will act like maybe there is like humans. So nowadays artificial intelligence, everything is artificial. In every area, artificial intelligence is a very popular. Most of the cases, and now in future also it becomes very popular. Okay, because most of the work will be done automatically by the artificial intelligence. Whatever the human is thinking, according to the human thoughts, it is giving solutions. Exactly. Right. So lot of work is reduced. It is an industrial revolution. Exactly. Yes or no? So suppose ChatGPT or using ChatGPT. So before that, most of will use will depend on how many queries go Google into the research. Now most of them we are using what? The ChatGPT or Perplexity and Gemini AI. These things are different because of we'll get accurate results. Whatever we want, we get that information. So that is the thing. That is called what? Industrial revolution. So in future, that may be enhanced. We may get good and good tools, great tools compared to this. Not only these things, lot of